Part 1. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I absolutely love traveling. It's an excellent way to explore new places, learn about different cultures, and take a break from routine life.
What kind of places do you like to visit?
I'm drawn to natural destinations like mountains, beaches, and forests. I also enjoy historical sites because they offer a glimpse into the past and help me appreciate cultural heritage.
How often do you travel?
I try to travel at least twice a year, usually during long holidays. Sometimes I explore nearby destinations, but when I have more time, I prefer international trips.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
It depends on the trip. Traveling with friends or family is more enjoyable for shared experiences, but I also enjoy solo trips for the independence and self-reflection they offer.
What is your favorite way to travel?
I prefer traveling by train because it's scenic, comfortable, and environmentally friendly. For long distances, I find flying the most practical and time efficient.
Part 2. Describe a tourist attraction you have visited. You should say where it is, what you did there, who you went with, and explain why it was memorable.
One of the most remarkable tourist attractions I've visited is the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. I went there 2 years ago with my family during a summer vacation. When we arrived, the sight of the tower was breathtaking. We took an elevator to the top, which offered stunning panoramic views of the city. From there, I could see landmarks like the Seine River and the Notre Dame Cathedral. Afterward, we enjoyed a picnic in the surrounding Champ de Mars Park, soaking in the lively atmosphere. What made the visit memorable was not just the iconic architecture but also the cultural vibe of the place. It was a dream come true to experience such a famous landmark firsthand. The combination of history, beauty, and the time spent with my family made it an unforgettable experience.
Part 3. Why do people like to travel to different places?
People travel to explore new cultures, experience different cuisines, and escape their routines. Travel also broadens perspectives, offering fresh insights and opportunities for relaxation and personal growth.
What are the advantages of tourism for a country?
Tourism boosts the economy by generating revenue and creating jobs. It also promotes cultural exchange and helps preserve historical sites through increased funding and awareness.
What challenges do popular tourist destinations face?
Overcrowding, environmental degradation, and loss of cultural authenticity are common challenges. Managing these issues requires sustainable tourism practices and careful planning.
How has technology changed the way people travel?
Technology has made travel easier by streamlining bookings, providing navigation tools, and offering information about destinations. Social media also inspires travel plans, while translation apps help overcome language barriers.
Do you think people will travel more in the future?
Yes, as transportation becomes more affordable and accessible, more people will likely travel. Advancements like space tourism and eco-friendly travel options may also encourage further exploration.